We have talked about the basic of cryptocurrency in the last video. Today, we will discuss what is blockchain. Without blockchain technology, there is no cryptocurrency. For example, you need computer software such as Windows 11 and others for the normal functions of the computer. For cryptocurrency, it needs blockchain. How actually does blockchain work to ensure the normal functions of cryptocurrency? Come, let's look at it in details. Don't be spooked by the techno-babble that people use to describe blockchain. A blockchain is just a database. It isn't a particularly sophisticated one. Either you could create it in a spreadsheet with minimal effort. There are some peculiarities with this database. The first is that blockchains are append only. That means that you can only add information. You cannot just click on a cell and delete stuff that you already added or change it in any way that you like or you want. The second is that each entry, or we call it a block in the database, is cryptographically linked to the last entry. In plain English, each new entry must contain a sort of digital fingerprint or hash of the last one. And that's it. Since each fingerprint points back to the last one, you end up with a chain of blocks, or as the cool kids like to call it, a blockchain. A blockchain is immutable. If you change a block, it changes the fingerprint. And since that fingerprint is included in the next block is changed too. And since that block's fingerprint, well, you got the idea. You end up with a domino effect where any change becomes evident. You can't alter any information without everyone noticing. Is that it? Underwhelmed? That's fair. The innovation here is not some cumbersome alternative to Google Sheets. It is that everyone can download blocks from other people on the network to build identical copies of the blockchain on their computers. That's what the software we mentioned earlier does. Suppose that you and your friends, Alice, Bob, Carol, and Dan, are running the software. You might say, I want to send 5 coins to Bob. So you send that instruction to everyone else, but the coins are not sent to Bob immediately. Carol might decide at the same time to send Alice 5 coins. She also sends an instruction out to the network. At any time, a participant can gather up the pending instructions to create a block. If anyone can make a block, what stops them from cheating? It probably seems very attractive to you to create a block that says, Bob pays me 1 million coins. Or to start buying Lamborghini and fur coats from Carol by making transactions with funds you don't have. Well, that's not how it works. Because of some cryptography, game theory, and something called a consensus algorithm, the system prevents you from spending funds you shouldn't be able to spend. I will stop here about basic knowledge of blockchain. If you like my video, please help to subscribe my channel and share my videos to others so that more people can learn together about blockchain. Remember to click the little bell so that you'll be notified to learn new knowledge in the next video. I would like to extend my sincere thanks and appreciation to you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.